Good day, super excited. How are you doing? I'm pumped up. It's a new week, and you're welcome. If this is your first time joining us on this channel, I'm really pumped up. You're welcome. And in today's outlook, we're going to be doing a lot together. So sit down, get your pen, get your note, get stuff that you're going to be using to take notes so that you would not miss out on what I'm about to share with you. And if this is your first time, make sure you click on the subscriber button and on the like button so that you will get notification whenever we upload a new video. And guys, I'm really pumped up, guys, about what we're going to be looking at in this week. Like I've told you guys, what you want to make sure you are doing is to trade with the trend. No matter how busy you are, no matter how much you want money, those who are consistent in this space are those who trade with the trend. Okay, so the Discord group, okay, on the free Discord group, we have we played a vote. We gave people an option to vote, and some people selected GBP JPY, NZD JPY, some selected GBP CHF and Euro CHF, Euro USD and GBP USD. So because of we have a tie here, I will just go with the first one, which is GBP JPY, Euro JPY, and NZD JPY. What am I looking out for? If I can see that this week, then guys, I'm going to shoot and we're going to be good to go. And if you remember the NZD trade that we gave you earlier is still delivering already in already over 1 to 14 or 1 to 15 right now. We're expecting it to come lower so that we can 1 to 15, 1 to 14 right now. Good. So we're expecting it to be able to drop down, okay, to at least 1 to 38. And if we can get 1 to 50, it will be very good. But today we're going to be starting with Euro JPY. Okay, and as usual, I always tell you to start from monthly. Even sometimes I go as far as quarterly to be able to get my trade. And it is not because of any reason, it's because of clarity. So you want to be able to leverage and see what we are expecting. So this is where we're going to be looking out for a buy trade in the nearest future. And this is currently where we are right now. Currently where we are right now is a supply zone that the market is reacting to, which is good. So that means that we are going to be looking for a sell, and from there went to weekly, and that's always my analysis chart. And on the analysis chart, we can see that we have a breakout structure here. We have a drop, it went up again, and we have another breakout structure here. The market dropped down, okay, and went up again. So these were potential places that would have gone in for a sell. Right now, it has dropped again, and we have another breakout structure. So that means that there should be a potential retracement into this rally-based drop. Then we're going to be looking for confirmation on lower time frame. We're going to be taking this trade down. Okay, potentially we're going to be looking for an average of 1,500 to 1,000 to 1,200 pips on this trade. Okay, so how can we catch this move? We need to wait to see the reaction around this zone. So currently I have between 130, 13100, 13100. That's where I'm looking at for a potential retracement. Okay, and we also have another zone here. That's around 130, 200. Okay, so if we can get a rejection here, or we get it around 131 130, 100, that would be a very good place to go and look for a lower time frame confirmation, okay, confirmation entry, or we do 50% of this other zone, then you pick the trade down. So you need to find a way to go into this trade once you get the notification. We already have a rejection here. I see this happen between now and when Thursday. It's going to push out more to our confirmation zone. Then we can shoot and sell, and we are good. Okay, so that's for Euro X, Euro JPY. We were looking for a sell here, and we're expecting to buy back here. Okay, the next one is GBP JPY. GBP JPY also is in the sell zone. We have this high, and we have the break of structure here. So we have a retracement back here into this zone, and now we have a break of structure. So this guy had come down, so we expect it to go back into this 156,300 or 156,600. Then from that 156,100, we're going to be looking for a sell. Okay, so this need to push up more into this place. Now, if it doesn't happen this week, then we have to wait for it next week. Okay. Usually, when the trade is like this, I prefer my entry here. When I want to go against, if I want to go against the trend to pick this, then we have to wait for a what? A pullback into this daily zone. We have a daily zone here. We have a daily zone, rally-based rally. This would be a short buy. So from this short buy, they will take the buy into this sell. But if I'm going to be risking my account here, this is against the trend, so I could just do maybe 0.5% or 2%, 0.5% or 1% of my account. Then when it comes here, I can risk my 2 to 5% here, because I'm a swing trader, and that's the way to enjoy trading. Okay. The third one is NZD-JPY. Okay, it's part of what we are looking at for this week. If you go to the monthly zone, you will see that the market broke structure after rejecting at this rally-based drop. So this is our sell zone. If you see how this guy dropped, it dropped and destroyed this break of structure. So that means we need to see a retracement back into this place. Then we're going to be selling. Guys, I'm interested in this guy because I'm going to be looking out for close to about 3,000 pips on this trade, which is very, very sweet. This could be a 6-month trade or a 4-month trade, depending on what it gives us. Okay, so if we go to weekly, it's going to be very, very clear there that the market gave a break of structure. Now we have liquidity. Okay, now the market is coming back to a rally, a base, a drop. So when the market bounce here, you want to go lower time frame and see how best you can join the move. So this is my view for this week for this trade. Mr. Mayowa, since you know it's going up, why can't you just buy it? Now, there's always a place to buy and there's always a place to sell. You don't have the right. This is the only place to sell. There is no buy opportunity on this chart. Okay, so you want to be extremely patient to see your trade come to pass. That is why we can hold AUD, NZD 1 to 14, 1 to 15 right now. GBP, USD. I'll be posting the case study later this week. It gave us over 700 pips. Over 700 pips in the group, and we made good money, over 700 pips in the group. Okay, I posted GBP card case study. That one is still running, and it's amazing how much we made there in the group. We went in here. He has given us over 1 to 90. 1 to 90. So that means if I risk 10% of my if I risk $10 out of my account, On that basis, I would have done a good rupee $900. Okay, a good rupee $900. If I has risked $100 of my account, I would have made $9,000. If I had risked $1,000 of my account, I would have made, sorry, $90,000. So that is how we trade in the institutional trading concept community, and I'm really pumped up for it, guys. So, guys, that'll be all for today, and make sure you stick to your chart, you practice, you wait for your condition. Okay, for Euro JPY, you're waiting for the market to come into this zone. For GBP JPY, we're waiting for the market to come into this zone. NZD JPY, we're waiting for the market to come to this zone. However, if you're not in the community, you are missing out. Okay, the ones that are going to we have close to about 13 trades we're looking at already for this week. We have all the trades. We have the funded account for those that trade FTMO and the rest. We also have the GBP JPY trade already. Euro USD, we are waiting for it. GBP USD, we are in it. GBP CHF, we are waiting for it for confirmation. We'll be entering this week. AUD NZD, we are already in it. Euro JPY, I just showed you. AUD card and NZD card, we are waiting for it. Okay, all of these trades are already in the community, in the Outlook. All we just do is come here and pick the trade with our confirmation. And if you're not in this group, you want to reach out to us either by sending an email or visit our website that is attached to this description. And when you get there, if you want one-on-one training, you select the course, the coaching program for one-on-one trading. And if you want to just join the community because you're already a trader, yes, all you need to do is to pay $100 monthly, and you are going to be having access to all the setups we have for the week and all the setups we have for the month. If you go to this link, Owolabi, and you click on ITC site, I'm going to be attaching this link, okay, so that you can come here. Oh, Mr. Mayowa, I want the community, you pay for the community. If you want one-on-one, you pay for one-on-one. If you want the 3-month one-on-one session, you also have that. And oh, I have over 5,000 US dollars portfolio, okay, and I want to grow it. And I want one-on-one. I want to grow and also believe in this one-on-one. We have a 6-month plan on that, and you can make more money intentionally here, minimum. Okay, so oh, Mr. Mayowa, I'm already a trader. I don't need one-on-one. Just pay the $100 and you're welcome to our trading community. Guys, we have a lot in the community. Okay, we have the Discord group. We have over 100 hours videos available for you. We have our weekly review. We have our Wednesday market mastery. We have psychology of trading, and we have several trade ideas that we're going to be using in the market. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. Make sure you stick to the rules, and as usual, I will always drop 1 trade per week. So make sure you are in the Telegram group. The link is also in the description below. Make sure you are in the Telegram group so that you will not miss out in any of the trades that we have. That'll be all for today. Have a pleasant evening. My name is Mayowa. Stick to the rules, trade the rules, and the rules will pay the bills. Talk to you soon. Cheers.